Hello children, hope you all are doing well at your place. I am Sandhya and today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of measures of length. Let us start. Addition. The process of addition in measures of length is exactly similar to that of addition of ordinary numbers. Children, as you can see, here two columns are there, meters and centimeters. We will add the centimeters column first, as it is the smallest unit. Here 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So 1 is carried over and 3 we will write over here. Now we will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 which is equal to 6. Now we will add meters column. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So the answer is 93 meters 63 centimeters. Moving on to the next sum. Children, here kilometers and meters are given. First we will add the meters column as it is the smallest unit. 2 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 18. So 1 is carried over and 8 we will write over here. 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 2. Now we will add 8 plus 0 which is equal to 8. Now we will add kilometers column. 0 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Here 1 is carried over and 1 we will write over here. Now we will add 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 9 which is equal to 20. So 2 is carried over and 0 we will write over here. Now we will add 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 12. So the answer is 1201 kilometers and 828 meters. Add the following: 61 kilometers 755 meters plus 7 kilometers 613 meters plus 54 meters. Children, here we have to arrange the kilometers and meters column. So let us make two columns, kilometers and meters, and then we will arrange the numbers accordingly. 61 kilometers 755 meters. Then 7 kilometers 613 meters. The next is 54 meters. Children, as you know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So, the meters column, it should be always a 3-digit number. As it is a 2-digit number, that is 54, what we will do? We will put a 0 over there next to the number 54. So, here it is 054. Okay. Now we will add it. Five plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 12. So 1 is carried over and 2 we will write over here. Now we will add 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 which is equal to 12. 1 is carried over and 2 we will write over here. Now we will add 1 plus 7 plus 6 plus 0 which is equal to 14. So here 1 is carried over and 4 I will write over here. Now we will add kilometers column. 1 plus 1 plus 7 is equal to 9. And 6 plus 0 is 6. So children, the answer is 69 kilometers 422 meters. 87 meters 10 centimeters plus 15 meters 21 centimeters plus 74 centimeters. Children, first we have to arrange these numbers. Okay. So we will make two columns, meters and centimeters. The first is 87 meters 10 centimeters. Then 15 meter and 21 centimeters. Then 74 centimeters. Okay, now we will add. While adding, we will add the centimeters column first. Why? Because it is the smallest unit. 0 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 10. So 1 is carried over and 0 we will write over here. Now we will add meters column. 1 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 13. 1 is carried over and 3 we will write over here. Now we will add 1 plus 8 plus 1 which is equal to 10. Children, so the answer is 103 meters and 5 centimeters. Subtraction. The process of subtraction in meters of length is exactly similar to that of subtraction of ordinary numbers. Children, we will start subtracting from the centimeters column. 2 minus 7. We cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So, what we have to do? We have to borrow. We will cancel 4 and we will write 3 over there. And the 2 will become 12. Now, 12 minus 7 is 5. We cannot subtract 8 from 3. So, we have to borrow. We will cancel 5 and we will write 4 over there. And this 3 will become 13. Now, what is 13 minus 8? 13 minus 8 is 5. Now, we will subtract the meters column. We cannot subtract 6 from 4. So, we have to borrow. We will cancel 3 and we will write 2 over there. And 4 will become 14. Now, 14 minus 6 is 8. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So, children, the answer is 8 meters 55 centimeters. Children, let us do one more sum. Kilometers and meters. Children, we will start subtracting from the meters column. 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Children, we cannot subtract 8 from 5. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from the number 7. We will cancel 7 and we will write 6 over there. Now this 5 became 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 117 kilometers and 112 meters. Subtract. Children, here we have to subtract 74 kilometers 10 meters from 97 kilometers 80 meters. Children, first we have to arrange these numbers in two columns. So we have to make two columns, that is kilometers and meters. While arranging, we should write the bigger number up. Here the bigger number is 97 kilometers and 80 meters. So I will write 97 kilometers. Children, as I told you, meters column, it should be always 3-digit number. Okay, so here what we will do? We will add a 0 next to the number 80. So the number is 080. Okay, now we will write 74 kilometer and here 10 meter is given, children. As you know, the meters column should always be a 3-digit number. So we'll put a 0 over there. Now it became 010. Okay. Now we will subtract. While subtracting also, we should subtract from the meters column first. Why? Because it is the smallest unit. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 9 minus 7 is 2. So the answer is 23 kilometers and 70 meters. 48 meters 52 centimeters from 71 meters 49 centimeters. First we have to arrange these numbers. So we have to make two columns, meters and centimeters. Now we have to write the bigger number up. Here 71 meters 49 centimeters is the bigger number. So that number we will write first. 71 meters and 49 centimeters minus 48 meters and 52 centimeters. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 5 we cannot do. Why? Because 4 is a smaller number. So we have to borrow. We will cancel 1 and we will write 0 over there. And this 4 will become 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Children, we cannot subtract 8 from 0. So we have to borrow. We will cancel 7 and we will write 6 over there. And now this 0 became 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So children, what is the answer? The answer is 22 meters 97 centimeters. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.